Good morning friends, welcome back to Panika Tutorials. In the last video, I have discussed about Cartesian product, what is the purpose of join, Equi join. I hope you have watched that video. If you did not watch that video, I request you to go back and watch that video and come back to this video. In this video, I want to discuss about outer join. In the outer join, left outer join, right outer join and also full outer join. Then I will discuss about the self join. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. In the Equi join, whatever the condition you have given, the tuples which are satisfying the condition, those tuples only will be displayed. Suppose look at here, in the employee table, department number is there. In the department table also, you have the department number. If you say employee dot department number is equal to department dot department number, then the tuples which are satisfying this condition from the employee table and also the department table will be displayed as an output. The tuples which are not satisfying this condition will not be displayed. Whereas in the outer join, the tuples which are satisfying the condition and also the tuples which are not satisfying the condition also will be displayed. First, let me discuss about the left outer join. The left outer join returns all the tuples from the left table and the matching records from the right table also. The result will be null tuples from the right table if there is no match with the left table. Now you can ask me, sir, what is the left table and right table? When I have discussed about the Equi join, I have written select column names. What are the column names you want to display? We want to write here, and then I will write from table 1 comma table 2, where table 1 dot something column 1 is equal to table 2 dot column 1. Here table 1 will be the left table, table 2 will be the right table. So if you are using the left outer join, the left outer join returns all the tuples from the left table and the matching records from the right table. But also if there is no match with the right table, those tuples also will be displayed but as a null value. Suppose let's take that there are 3 employees are there with ID as 1, 2, 3. Employee 1 is working in the CSC department. Employee 2 is working in the EC department. Employee 3 is a new employee. He has not been assigned to any department. Now if I use the left outer join, then all the 3 employees and the department name will be displayed, but employee 3 has not been assigned to any department, their null value will come. For 1 CSC, 2 EC will come. For 3 his value will be null. Then I will discuss about the syntax of left outer join. We can do the left outer join in 2 ways, using the plus symbol and also using the left join keyword. Here if you are use the plus, then it will be the left outer join. Here the left table is table 1, right table is table 2. For the table 2 of something, if you write plus, then it will be the left outer join. Another way is that you can write select column name or names from table 1, and then I will use the left join keyword. Then I will write table 2 on table 1 dot column 1 is equal to table 2 dot column 1. Okay, this also will perform the left outer join. So you can perform the left outer join using the plus symbol or using the left join keyword. Now let me discuss these things using the Oracle SQL Plus. You know that already we have parent table and child table. Let me display the data which is there in the parent table. I will write select star from parent. Similarly, let me write select star from child. then you can see in the parent table you have the employee ID 1, 2, 3 and the names as ABC, whereas in the child table employee IDs 1 and 2 is there and salaries are there. Employee 3 salary is not there. Then if I use the left outer join by keeping the parent table as the left table, for the employee ID 3 the salary will be null. Let me discuss that one. Let me write select employee name comma salary from parent comma child where parent dot EID is equal to child dot ID. Now what is the parent table here? Oh sorry, left table is a parent table. What is the right table? Child. So all the records of the left table will be displayed. In the right table, if it is matching, those values will be displayed. If it is not matching, it will be given value as null. We simply perform the Equi join. We have not performed the left join. If I want to perform the left join, here you need to add the plus. Let me edit this one and let me add that plus for you. Let me open the braces and plus and let me save it. Now let me write it. See, we got the left outer join. See, the plus has been added, so it is a left outer join. So you have A salary is 100, B salary is 1000, C salary is not there, so that's why you got the null value. So this is the way you can use the left outer join. Now let me write the another way also. E name comma salary from parent left join child on parent dot EID is equal to child dot ID. Let me end with semicolon. See, both the statements has given the same output. So both are working as a left outer join. I hope you have understood about the left outer join. Now let me discuss about the right outer join. Let me copy this one and paste, because in place of left outer join, if you give the right outer join, it will work. So the right outer join returns all the tuples from the right table and matching records from the left table. The result will be null tuples from the left side table if there is no match. So in the definition of the left outer join, in place of right if you keep left, in place of left if you keep right, then it will be right outer join. So right outer join will return all the tuples of the right table. If there is matching, the left table values will give. If it is not matching, it will be null value. Now let me discuss the syntax also. Let me copy this one and paste it. I will do the little bit modification using the plus. You need to change the plus from this position to this position. If you add a plus symbol to the left table, it will be a right outer join. In place of left join here, I want to perform the right join. Now let me practically do this one using Oracle SQL Plus. We have two more tables called sample 10 and sample 11. We will display those data. Or not salary 10, it is sample 10. Select star from sample 10. Let me display the data which is there in the sample 11. I will perform the right outer join. So I will keep the sample 11 as the right table, sample 10 as the left table. Then I will write here select ID from what? Sample 10, right? So I will write sample 10 dot ID comma sample 10 dot name comma sample 11 dot ID sample 11 dot name comma sample 11 dot salary from. We need to do the aliasing properly. Let me write it properly. Let me write S1 dot ID comma S1 dot name comma S2 dot ID comma S2 dot name comma S2 dot salary from sample 10, I will alias it as s1 comma sample 11, I will alias it as s2, where s1 dot id is equal to s2 dot id, but you forgot to provide the plus, right? Let me keep it because you are performing the right outer join, so you need to add plus here, equal to s2 dot id. Let me end with semicolon. What happened? s2 comma we have kept. Let me edit that one. s2 dot id I have kept. Oh, everywhere like that I have done. s1 dot name comma s2 dot id comma s2 dot name comma s2 dot salary. Let me save it and again close it, backslash. Now you can see all the tuples which are there in the right table have been displayed. If it is matching with the left table, that value came. If it is not matching with the right table, then those values has given as null. So this is about the left outer join and right outer join. We have the full outer join also. What the full outer join will work? It is a combination of left join and also the right join. Or I can say it is the union of left join results and right join results. It will display the common tuples from the left table and right table. If the tuples are not matching with the left table and right table, it will display the rows which are there in the left table and right table's values as null, and also it will display the right table tuples and left table values will be null. So I can simply say it is a union of left join and right join. Now let me discuss the syntax using both the way. Now you can think, sir, right outer join you have kept plus here, for left outer join you have kept plus here. So if I do the union, can I keep plus in here and plus here? No, that is absolutely wrong. So what is the way? What you need to do is that first you need to perform the left outer join, then you can use the union keyword, and then you perform the right outer join. So I will write table 1 column, then I will do the left outer join. It is not compulsory first you need to perform the left outer join. Any join you can perform, then union, and then you can perform the right outer join. So I will remove the plus here and I will keep the plus here. And another way is very simple. In place of right join, I will simply keep as full outer join. For left outer join we kept left join. For right outer join we kept right join. For full outer join we will use the keyword called full outer join. So table 1 full outer join, table 2 on, you can provide the condition. The tuples which are satisfying the condition will be displayed, and the tuples which are not satisfied in the left table and also the right table also will be displayed. Now let me discuss this concept practically using SQL plus. Select a star from sample 10 which is not matching with 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me insert value 4 here. So I will write insert into sample 10 values. I will insert id as 4 and name as b. Select s1 dot id comma s1 dot name comma s2 dot id comma s2 dot name comma s2 dot salary from sample 10, not right outer join, using the full outer join keyword. From sample 10 full outer join, then sample 10 I need to write as s1 full outer join sample 11 as s2. Then I need to write on s1 dot id should be equal to s2 dot id. Let me end with a semicolon. Now you can see 1a 1 Jagdish, the salary has been displayed. So this tuple only satisfied. Now in the left table 4b is there, which is not matching with the data in the right table. So null values came for the id, name and salary, because 4b the id is not there in the sample 11 and name is not there, salary. And in the right table you have 2 Rajesh 2000 and 3 Ravi 3000 is there, but their data is not matching with the left table. So that's why you got the null values here. You can ask me, sir, we will even discuss using the union. Yeah, let me do it. I will write select s1 dot id comma s1 dot name comma s2 dot name comma s2 dot salary from sample 10 s1 comma sample 11 s2, and then I will write where s1 dot id is equal to s2 dot id. I will write the plus. This is left outer join. Then I will use union. Then I will write the right outer join. Select s1 dot id comma s1 dot name comma s2 dot name comma s2 dot salary from sample 10 s1 comma sample 11 s2, where s1 dot id, as it is a right outer join, you need to use the plus here, equal to s2 dot id. Let me end with semicolon. Now you got the same result. So you can perform the full outer join like this or using like this. So first we will perform the left outer join union right outer join, or you can perform the right outer join union left outer join, or you can use the full outer join keyword. I hope you have understood about the all the three outer joins. One is the left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Now let me discuss about the self join. The self join is a join in which a table is joined to itself. It is like a recursion join or recursive join, because the table is joining itself. In the inner join and outer join, the one table is joining with another table. But here what I am doing the self join with that table itself. Okay, such kind of join we will call it a self join. Let me provide the syntax for it. I will write select what are the column name or column names you want to display, you will provide here. From table 1 I will provide it as s1 comma table 1 s2, then I will write where certain condition. Okay, now you can see here the s1 and s2 are the aliasing for the same table called table 1. Let me discuss this concept using Oracle SQL Plus. Let me display the data which is there in the EMP table. Okay, you can see employee number is there, manager number is there. Some of the employees are working as a manager or acting as a manager for a particular employee. Now look at here, 7369 is a manager for whom? For anyone he is a manager? No. But for 7369 employee, like for Smith, who is the manager? 7902. Ford is the manager. Ford is also an employee, but he is acting as a manager for the Smith. So if you want to know the employee name and manager details also, you need to perform the self join with the EMP. I want to list the employees who are working under the manager. I want to know the manager name, details, etc. Then what I can write is, I can write select e dot emp number comma e dot e name as, I will do the aliasing, emp name comma e job as employee job, emp job comma m dot emp number comma m dot e name as manager name comma m dot comma I need to provide comma m dot job as manager job from emp e comma emp m. So here E and M are the two aliases on the same table called emp. Then I need to provide the condition. What is the condition? Where E dot mgr is equal to M dot emp number. Let me end with semicolon. Like this I need to write it. Okay, now let me practically discuss this one using Oracle SQL Plus. What I will do, select E dot emp number comma E dot e name as emp name comma, even I want to display the employee job also. So E dot job, I want to use the aliasing emp job comma m dot emp number comma m dot, let me do aliasing for this one also, manager number comma m dot e name as manager name, then comma m dot job as manager job, and then I need to write from emp e comma emp m, where I will write E dot emp number is equal to M dot mgr. Let me end with semicolon. Now you can see 4902 Ford, okay, is the manager for whom? For the Smith. Okay, 698 for whom he is a manager, Ellen. Like this we got the data. I hope you have understood about the outer join and self join. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.